Here are 10 fun exercises you can do in any size pool.
Wait, any size pool?
Well, almost any size.
Oh, and don't forget to stay until the end for my bonus tips.
Okay, here's some water aerobic moves. I like to do this one where it's kind of crossing your legs and your arms in the water and you push up. If you want to do it extra strong, make your hands like paddles and then just push, cross, cross, cross. Another one is, I think we used to call this one mountain climbers at the Y. And again, you can make your hands like paddles, or you can make them like claws. And it's right foot, left foot. Just keep putting one leg in front of the other, and you push, push, push with your arms. You can pick up a pool noodle at any dollar store, and there's a lot of fun exercises you can do with that too. One, you can push forward, push. Go push to the left, push to the right, push in the front. And move your legs while you're doing it. You can do like a jogging motion, or you can do what we like to call rocking horse, where you pick, like I'm going to use my left knee, and then I put my right knee goes back, and left knee goes up, and pushing down on the noodle. This is rocking horse, and you do it like right now I'm doing rocking horse with my left leg first, and then you switch legs, and then right leg first, right leg forward, left leg back. The washing machine is fun, where you twist like you're in a washing machine.
Now show me the dryer. The dryer.
That'd be kind of a tumble. I'm not sure how I would do dryer. But here's the washing machine. The cheerleader one's a fun one. You push down on here, and your legs do the splits in the air, like this, and you go down.
You mean the water?
In the water. But you pretend like you're doing a cheerleader move in the air. You push down as both of your legs go out at the same time. This one's cheerleaders. You can do a grapevine down the pool. Go from one end to the other. Take your leg to the left, take it to the right, take it to the left, take it to the right. So it's a fun one. Oh, and this one's cowboy kickers, where you put your leg like this and then kick out on the left, and then knee kick, and you push down on your noodles. So my knees kick to the left, to the right, to the left. Yeah! Cowboy kickers, that's a fun one. And then after you've done a few of these, you swim a couple of laps, and then you start over again. And that's what I like to do, play whatever's your favorite music, and just go to town and have fun. Yeehaw!
It's like I'm watching the Olympics.
The old lady crawl.
In slow motion. This is when they play it back to see who won.
Woo! The old lady gold medal, yay!
And to add on to what Gina's doing, I usually do this. And repeat this repeatedly. And I call this Margarita muscles. You can even do your mouth too at the same time to get a little bit more action in your muscles there. And then you can pretend you have a straw.
Thanks for watching. Please give us a like and share. Want to see more? Hit subscribe.